All right, so like I just said, you can actually find for unknown angles using that rule that all three have to equal 180, and here's how you would do it. So if you know one angle is 85 degrees, you know another one is 80 degrees, you don't know this one, the way you can figure out what that is, well, you know this plus this has to be 180. So what you can do is follow these steps right here. Add together the two angles you know. Then subtract that sum from 180, and then that will be what your third angle is. Check your work by adding all three and making sure it equals 180. So like I said, add the two angles you know, 85 plus 80. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 8 plus 8 is 16. Subtract that sum from 180. So write 180 minus that, 165. So 0 minus 5, you have to carry the 1 from here. So 8 becomes 7, and then 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 6 is going to be 1. And then 1 minus 1 is 0. We got 15. That's what that must be. And here's why. Because now if you add together this plus this, you're going to get that 180. So we have to double check our work by adding together all three angles and making sure it equals 180. So 5 plus 0 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. Plus 1 is 18. So it got to 180. The steps you need to follow. Add the two angles you know. Subtract that from 180. That's your answer. Double check by adding them all together to see if you get 180. I would like you to do 23 on your own. So pause the video, try to follow those steps I just did, and then I'm gonna do it very quickly. Okay, pause the video and do that. All right, so you had a triangle like this. You had 65 degrees, and you had n, so you gotta add them together. So 65 plus 65 are gonna be 130. Subtract that from 180, and that's gonna be 50. And now that is your answer, that must be 50. Double check your work by doing 50 plus 65, and that gives you 180. Okay, so 50 degrees was your answer. If you got 50 degrees, you understand it. If not, watch those again. And if you're still confused, please feel free to give me talk to me on the virtual classroom, okay? Always here to help. God bless you. Talk to you soon. Bye.